Hi, my name is Jamie with Granite and Marble Solutions, where we provide premium, full-scale fabrication and installation of gorgeous countertops, backsplashes, bathroom fixtures, and more here in the metro Atlanta area. We give you the freedom to choose between our alluring granite, marble, and quartz materials that are totally customizable to make your dream home a reality. Our 9-step process will chart a course for your project, from your initial contact with our elite design team, all the way to installation by our skilled craftsmen. Make sure to visit our showroom in Alpharetta, where we can help you sort through the options based on how you want your countertops to function and your color and style preference. After you make your decision on the material you want, we can transform your living area within days. Call Granite and Marble Solutions serving the metro Atlanta area and schedule a free in-home measurement at your convenience.